Design thinking types of four types are there. The first one is empathize, define, ideate, prototype. Now I am talking about prototype. In design thinking, a prototype is a tangible representation of an ideas or concept used to explore, test, and refine solution. It allows a team to visualize and interact with their ideas, gathering valuable feedback before committing a scientific resource to development. Prototype is a critical step in the design thinking process which typically follow these stages. And the types of prototype in design thinking, quick and inexpensive. For example, wireframe or paper modes. Purpose explore concept and gather really feedback. And second one is a medium, more detailed and functional. Example, clickable digital mockups, detailed models. Purpose test workflow interaction and usability. Third one is I prototype, is closely resemble the final product. For example, fully functional apps, 3D printed modes. And benefits of prototyping design thinking: encourage experimental and creativity, reduce risk by identify issue early, helps in communicate ideas effectively to stakeholder, enable use centered design thinking by incorporating field. So this is more examples are there. The first one is paper prototype, hands down stakes on paper to demonstrate to product look and basic functionality. 3D models using material like cardboard, clay, or 3D printing to create a physical vision of the product. Mockups, non-functional visual representation of the final product, often made with tools like XD or Figma. And digital tools and apps. Wireframe blueprint for the layout and structure of a website or app, often made it tools like balsamic and or sticks. Clickable prototype, interactive vision of a digital product created with tools like Figma and XD or InVision. And meta vision, early functional software visions realized to a small group of user of testing. Service design is role playing storyboard service blueprint. First is role playing, simulating the service experience with team members or actors to understand user interaction. Storyboards, a series of illustration or image showing the steps in a service journey. A third one is service blueprint, visual diagram outlining the touch point and interaction in a service process. Fourth one is marketing campaigns, mock ads, landing pages, focus groups. The first one is mock ads, sample advertisement to test messaging and visual apply with the target audience. Landing pages, temporary web pages created to guide interact in a product or service. Focus group, prototype messaging or ads concept through small user testing groups. Urban design, scale model and a temporary installation. The education, sixth one is education, three types are there: interactive lessons, gamification concept, learning portals. Testing new educational methods or tools with students before full implementation. And simple games or quiz to trial innovating teaching approaches. And basic digital platform to evaluate user engagement and effectiveness. Healthcare, using a mock medical settings